In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have PayPal connected to your account, enabled as a checkout option, and fully tested so you can start collecting payments with confidence. Start by opening the official GoHighLevel website in your browser and signing into your account dashboard. If you need a quick path, you can use the official links in the description to reach both GoHighLevel and PayPal. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is where you manage account level configuration, so it's the right place to handle payments. Next, open the Payments area. Depending on your layout, you'll either see a Payments tab directly, or you'll go through Integrations and then Payments. This section lists all supported payment providers and lets you control which ones are active for your business. Locate PayPal in the list and select it. Click Connect next to PayPal, and GoHighLevel will redirect you to PayPal to link the two platforms securely. On the PayPal screen, log into your account with your usual credentials and confirm you're using the account where you want to receive funds. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding. You'll then see an authorization screen. Review the connection details and grant permission for GoHighLevel to access your PayPal account. This permission allows GoHighLevel to process charges and sync transaction data, which is essential for accurate invoices and reporting. After authorization, you'll be sent back to GoHighLevel automatically. Take a moment to confirm the connection worked. PayPal should now show a status like connected or active. If you don't see that immediately, refresh the page and make sure the approval step in PayPal was completed. With the connection live, enable PayPal as a payment method wherever you plan to collect money, your funnels, order forms, and invoices. In each of those areas, look for the payment settings and toggle PayPal on so customers can select it at checkout. If you use multiple providers, set your preferred default and save your changes. Now it's time to test. Create a simple test product or a small invoice and run a trial transaction, just like a real customer would. Use a small amount and verify the entire flow, including the confirmation screen and any email receipts. Finally, verify the results. Open your payments dashboard in GoHighLevel to confirm the test payment appears, and cross-check that it shows up in your PayPal activity as well. Seeing it in both places confirms the integration is working end-to-end. That's it. You've connected PayPal to GoHighLevel, enabled it, tested it, and verified it. Thanks for watching.